Hi guys, today we're going to be having a look at a Frey EX, which we've vinyl wrapped in a beautiful starlight bronze colour. Customer chose this because in standard light it's quite a stealthy black colour, but in the right light really bounces the light and gives a full glitter look. So let's have a look at the process. Each section is cut out and then tested for fit before doing the final application. On this job we decided that the graphics needed to be added separately as we were unable to print the colours we needed to this type of vinyl. Obviously, being a special effect, we do have to change the way we do things sometimes. Here you can see the seam work, well, not see the seam work. And that's where a vinyl wrap differs from a paint job, is that there is templating, there is seam work. We do our best to hide these seams. If you look, this is the inside chainstay where the seam work is quite well hidden. This area there wasn't a great deal we could do with, so we've had to create a circular piece that just sits over the top and locks the entire thing together. For the final step, we then fit a full Invisifilm coverage over the top of the vinyl wrap, as you can see some of the edges of it there. This is done to protect the vinyl wrap, and obviously you're not going to destroy it. The main reason why a vinyl wrap is such a good idea is your factory graphics, paintwork and everything is saved underneath and very well protected. If you do manage to damage a wrap outside of the Invisifilmed areas, then a colour matched patch kit is provided with all wraps, so any damage repairs, it's literally like fixing a puncture but 10 times easier. Let's have a look at the bike built. Now it's back with the customer. Enjoy! So cheers to the customer for getting us involved, and don't forget to come back and check out what else has been going on very soon. Bye! Stuff.